the more I understood her, the worse it got. I'd figured out exactly what we needed, what had to change. So I'd sit in my head, planning, waiting, analyzing the timing, and it was draining me. And I couldn't see it then, but I was the one ruining it. Because here's what I actually was doing. I was trying to understand her to show up better. But instead of seeing the beautiful woman in front of me, I was looking at the challenges. What can I do to make this better? How can I show up differently? What does she need? So that constant tension to want to improve the connection was ruining the connection. Because I wasn't feeling her. I was analyzing her. And she felt that distance. She pulled back. And here's what it cost you. Everything becomes a test. Am I showing up enough? Is she trying hard enough? Are we moving at the right pace? So nothing feels real anymore. You're scoring every moment while she's just trying to be with you. But you're not there. You're in your head, analyzing, planning, and it never stops. The mind, it keeps going. She feels like she's being studied, like every moment is being evaluated. So she pulls back. The one thing that actually matters, the ability to just be, to be messy, to make mistakes, to know we can come back from them. That's what the analysis cost you, not the relationship, your humanity. And that's when I realized something. Understanding isn't the problem. The problem is living in the understanding. Staying in my head instead of getting into my body. The work isn't knowing what needs to change. It's in being present while it changes naturally. Because the moment I stopped analyzing and just showed up, everything shifted. Not because I figured it out, but because I stopped trying to figure it out. I just was with her in the moment. And that's when real change happened. If you want to explore this deeper, I send a newsletter every week. Real conversations, real insights, the stuff that actually matters. Link in the description. So here's what it looks like. Stop reading about how to be present. Just be present. Stop analyzing whether you're doing it right. Just do it. Stop understanding her. Just see her. The more you try to understand love, the more you miss it. Because love isn't something you figure out. It's something you feel. And you can only feel it when you're not in your head. So every moment you're choosing, understanding or feeling, analyzing or being, head or body. It's not a one-time realization. It's every single moment. And the moment you choose to feel instead of understand, you get her back. You get yourself back. And I almost learned this too late. Don't make the same mistake.